Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification of all new uploads.
Alright, so here we are with the next stage of seat modification. Actually, if you can look at there's my Continental GT, and from my previous videos you know that I have chopped down the frame to match the solo saddle and the cowl that has been supplied by the Royal Enfield, the original accessories. But the problem is coming is that sometimes I'll have to carry some pillion with me, maybe my wife, my brother or son. So at that point of time I am unable to use the single solo saddle, and with this dual saddle, the brake light and tail light actually goes under the dual saddle. So what we are doing, we are making a new tail lamp. So this is a 500 classic 500 or classic 350 style tail lamp. Okay, so this is the basic construction and basic plan of the mounting. So this plate will go inside the frame of the seat, and it will be drilled on these 3 points to attach this one with the seat. Then this will be hanging from the back of the seat by around this is actually a 4-inch section. So when we will finalize the length, we may if I would like, then if it does not look good, we will chop it down by 3 inches at this point. Okay, then there's a ring here, and this will go like this. So this will be the tail light assembly. Alright, and we have finished this ring. This is a 1 mm sheet, and then with these strips, this is a 2 mm strip. This will be attached to this sheet at multiple joints so that it will transfer the strength, and then we will make a T with this sheet. Okay, so let me finish this one. It will take like around another couple of hours, and then what we are going to do, we will sand out the complete structure. Then we will place some coating, some putty coating or some red oxide on this, and then we will spray paint it with the chrome spray paint, shiny chrome, not matte chrome. Okay, so this whole assembly, let me show you the seat. This whole assembly will go here, but this attachment will be done from inside of the frame. Like at this place. So this cover will come off, and we will drill out these 3 points here, and then this will attach here. This will go like this in this direction, and then the ring will come here. So let me finish this one first, then I'll tell you what is going on. Okay, so what we are doing, this is the LED tail light for classic 500 or 350 classic model. So we will form a ring, and in that ring we will weld some bolts in these 3 places, nuts in these 3 places. Then we will bolt down them onto the ring so that the light will attach with this, and then we will take 2 sheets, and these sheets will be welded onto this ring. This section will go inside the frame of the seat with 3 points to be drilled here, and then we will attach this section to the seat through the back portion of the seat. So let me show you here. This is our Continental GT 650 seat. So on this part, these 3 points, we will attach this, and this is let me show you this. These clips will come off so that the cover will be off. Now we will drill 3 points here, and these 3 points will be attached from at this place, and then this sheet will be hanging down by either this is around 4 inches, but I am thinking to take it like 3 inches, so that this ring will be like here. Okay, now we are welding down the ring, and after this process the central circumference ring will be cut down so that the light will be attached into this. We are like flattening the sheet. And then again with the same diameter we will have to cut down that section, and this section will be placed on downward side, so I don't think there might be an issue with that. Let's see. इसका आउटर भी एक बार ना ग्राइंडर से देख लेना है ना, ताकि वो कोई इस तरह की मतलब बचे नहीं कि भाई हाथ वाथ कट सके किसी का लग करके. ठंडा हो गया ना. Okay, so this is cold now. So light will go like this. So the ring has been formed properly. Now the central groove will be cut down and the ring will be actually placed upon this, so that these bolt sockets will not be visible from the outside. Okay, and then what we are going to do, this is a 2 mm plate, and we will weld this one from the back side from here, and then we will cut it out by 3 or 4 inches maybe, and then from here we will make a T like this. Okay, and this T will actually go inside the frame of our original seat, and it will be drilled on 3 points that will be attached to the seat, and I think it will look nice. And this will give me the opportunity and also the option for using both setups for solo seat setup. If you can see, look here, you know, I have chopped down the frame to match the length of the solo seat, and because of this the original seat, actually this seat, this seat overlaps the frame by frame comes right around here, so the tail light is actually not visible from the back side, because if you can see the frame has been a little upswept to match the back seat cowl that has been supplied by Royal Enfield. Okay, so let's see what the final product will come out to be. I hope it looks nice. Okay, and then later I will sand it down, then some red oxide, and then chrome spray paint. So I think this hanging tail light will look nice. So what connections will be, this is the LED socket. So what we will do, we will cut out a section of wire in the previous brake light, that brake light on the end of the hoop, frame hoop at last, and then this will allow us to use both options with the dual seat. We can attach this into the dual seat and we'll use this one, and when I will be going to use that one, the single seat option, the solo saddle, then we will use the light that already have been pasted onto the frame. Grooves for bolting has been done. This plate will go under the seat. The excessive metal is being removed. Now to strengthen the plate, we have bent the skirting from inside, so it will give strength to the plate, and by this the exact length of the light has been provided. It will protrude by a couple of from the outside, but it will look good. Now we are curving the hanging beam. One end will go into the ring and one end will go into the seat. Now the ring has been completed. We are now finishing it, buffing it up, and then later on I will do spray some red oxide on this, and after that the chrome paint, and then tomorrow, maybe or day after tomorrow, I will make connections for the backlight.
Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification of all new upload.